Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our next chapter, working with Windows. What is Windows? Windows is an operating system. So what is operating system? Operating system is a system that works like a bridge between the computer and its user. It provides a platform through which a user can interact with the hardware and software. Operating system is that kind of software which help us to work with computer. Without operating system, our computer cannot work. Right? So, operating system is the major software for the computer. As we know, computer works on the basis of software. So, this is the system software. Without system software, our system cannot work. So, operating system is the system software with the help of which we can work with computer. So, next is types of operating system. There are two types of operating system. One is GUI and second is CUI. GUI means graphical user interface and CUI means character user interface. Graphical user interface is provides user-friendly environment to us so that it represent graphical symbols, icons, menus in the form of this. So it is very much easy to work with this kind of interface. Next is CUI. CUI means character user interface. It is based on commands only, on characters only. So in this we have to give commands, we have to write commands for doing any work. But in GUI it is easy to work, that's why it is user friendly environment and our Windows is based on GUI. So these are the examples of operating system. GUI examples: Windows XP, Windows NT, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. Lots of versions are there for Windows. The first version of Windows is Windows 95 and the latest version of Windows is Windows 10, on which nowadays we are working. And CUI example is DOS. DOS is Disk Operating System. This is the first operating system. DOS is the first operating system based on CUI, but Windows 95 is the first operating system which is based on GUI. So when you start your computer, then this process is called booting process. Booting is the process when you start up the computer, then the operating system load into the computer RAM so that our computer can work. So the first screen which appears when you start a computer, that is called desktop. This is the first screen which appears, that is called desktop. Desktop is the topmost screen on which we can work, and this is long horizontal bar present at the bottom of the desktop. This contain applications which we open, on which we will work. This is the start button which contain all the applications or various options in the form of menu. So next is files and folders. What is file and what is folder? File is a collection of related information stored in computer memory. Like our notebooks, we are having lots of notebooks. These are our files on which we can store our information. Our science notebook contains related information to science only. So that is also a file related to science. Similarly, English notebook contain information related to English. So that is a file related to English only. Similarly, in computer also we create so many files for storing our information. So that is called file. Next is folder. Folder is a collection of similar or related files stored in a folder. It is like a container of files. Like our bag is a folder where we can store our different notebooks and books which are related to us only. So that is a folder. So folder contains different files and different subfolders also. Like in our bag we can store a folder also. So that folder is called subfolder. So to work with files and folder, first of all we should know how to manage all files and folder. Click on start button. You can see here, if your Windows version is Windows 10, you can see here File Explorer option. Otherwise, in others windows, you can see Windows Explorer option. If it is not visible here, you can write here in search box, like I am writing Windows Explorer. You can see here this icon will appear. You just have to click on Windows Explorer. This is Windows Explorer. By default, it contains libraries option. This Windows Explorer contains all the files and folders which are stored in our computer. This Explorer contains two parts. One is left pane, this is called left pane, and this is called right pane. Left pane is called navigation pane also, and right pane is called details pane also. Whenever you select any document, any music, any picture, any folder from this side, it will explore all the files and folders related to this. See, I am clicking on pictures, then it will show the pictures picture library. If I am clicking on C drive, it will show the files and folders stored in C drive. If I am clicking on D drive, it will show the files and folders related to D drive. If I click on music, then it will show the music library files, right? So this is our files and folder. How we will manage our files and folder in File Explorer or Windows Explorer. So in next video, we'll continue how to create a file and folder. So till this, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.